AI isn't coming to work. Someday it's already here. And it's not some far-off sci-fi concept. It's quietly revolutionizing how we get things done every single day. Look around any modern office, and you'll see AI in action. It's the smart assistant that schedules your meetings, the software that flawlessly enters mountains of data, and the chatbot that provides instant answers to customer questions. This isn't just about convenience. It's about freeing us from repetitive tasks, reducing human error, and giving us back our most valuable resource, time. By automating the mundane, we can focus on what truly matters: innovation, strategy, and human connection. But AI's impact goes far beyond simple efficiency. It's becoming a powerful partner in creativity. Imagine editing a complex video project where the AI suggests the perfect cuts and transitions, or composing a piece of music with an algorithm that generates beautiful harmonies. Artists and designers are using AI to explore new styles and bring their wildest ideas to life faster than ever before. This isn't about replacing the artist. It's about providing a new set of tools to augment their talent. AI is breaking down creative barriers, allowing anyone to experiment, iterate, and create professional quality content. It's a true collaboration between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence, opening up a universe of new possibilities. The transformation doesn't stop at our desks. Across every industry, AI is driving unprecedented change. In manufacturing, intelligent robots on the assembly line perform quality control with superhuman precision, ensuring every product is flawless. In retail, AI-powered systems deliver instant, personalized customer support 24/7. Even highly specialized fields like law and medicine are being enhanced. AI can analyze thousands of legal documents in seconds, or assist doctors in interpreting complex medical scans, leading to more accurate diagnoses and better patient outcomes. From logistics and finance to agriculture and entertainment, AI is helping us make smarter, faster, and more informed decisions. The future of work isn't about being replaced by AI. It's about working alongside it, amplifying our skills, and unlocking our full potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into our evolving world.